Color is everywhere. We all see items that inspire, but how do we get that perfect match in a paint color? Introducing Color Muse. Color matching made easy. Scan a color. Find the exact product match for paint, flooring, textile, apparel, accessories, and more. Match any color, anytime, anywhere, instantly. The Color Muse system works with your smart device. It's perfect for consumers, DIYers, contractors, and interior designers. Color your muse. Muse your color. Visit colormuse.io.
The Real Avid 1911 Smart Wrench is a case of the perfect name. Every smart 1911 owner and shooter will have this tool with them at all times. It's way better than the cheapo plastic number that comes with your gun. The Real Avid 1911 Smart Wrench is purpose-built from engineering resin that's ultra tough, yet can never scratch your gun. The grip is large enough to provide the torque you may need to make the delicate disassembly and reassembly work easier. Best of all, the innovative design prevents parts from flying, never to be seen again. Not much bigger than a silver dollar, the Real Avid 1911 Smart Wrench covers both government and officers' 1911 models.